We're going to finish section 6.6 today, and this will actually finish the chapter. We're going to skip example 2, as you can see I crossed it out here, but we did miss example 3 in the packet, so if you can add this in now. Some things about solving logarithmic. So we're now solving logs. You might need to rewrite without logs. You may need to condense, so keep both of those things in mind. Now for example 3a, we're taking an ln of both sides. So basically the ln's can cancel each other out because they're the same thing. So then these two insides must also be equal. So we have 4x minus 7 equals x plus 5. And then you can just solve like you would a normal algebra 1 equation. I can subtract the x over and add the 7 to the other side, then divide both sides by 3, and x will equal 4, and you can plug in and check. For part B, I can see one logarithmic problem here. If there are more than one log, you might want to condense. But I just have log, and so what you can do is you can rewrite without log. So think same, change, change. Bring down the 2, make it a cube, equals 5x minus 17. And now we can solve this. We know 2 cubed is 8. You can then add 17 to the other side, and then divide by 5, and x will equal 5. Now let's look at example 4. So in example 4, here's an example where I have logs, but there are 2 of them. So you want to use the idea of condensing. I have an addition in the middle, so that means the two things were originally multiplied to each other. 2x was multiplied to the x minus 5. So I've condensed. Now that I've condensed, I can rewrite this without log. Currently, this log has a base of 10 because it's not written there, so we assume it's a 10. So let's do same, change, change. I now have 10 squared equals 2x times x minus 5. I can change 10 squared to 100, and I can distribute on the right side. Whenever you have an x squared type of problem, we're probably going to solve by factoring. So I'm going to set it equal to 0 by subtracting 100 to the other side. I can take a GCF out of at least 2. From here, I can factor. Factors of 50 will be 10 and 5. I'll need a negative 10 and a positive 5 so that I get a negative 5 back. And then set each equal to 0, and I'll get 2 answers of negative 5 and 10. I should then check both answers. And after checking both, we'll realize that only the 10 will work and the negative 5 will not. Please list any questions you still have, and we'll try them on in progress when we get in class.